Hey there, if you have a business or want to have a business that runs on autopilot without having to beg for the sale or bother friends and family, then you'll want to check this out. You see, I have an intuitive step-by-step formula that I designed for network marketers that has been revamped for your passion-driven business that will take you from fearful, hesitant hobbyist to a dynamic, confident CEO. So if you're an ambitious business builder looking for a predictable way to grow your income, business, and downline on autopilot without feeling salesy or spammy, let me show you how you can use my fast formula to 5K to implement an automated and duplicatable process that will successfully help you attract new customers and team members right now. Well, let's dig in. I'm Vanessa Ann Miller, and I created the Fast Formula to 5K program so that network marketing mamas like you could create a scalable and duplicatable business to attract new customers and team members without spamming everyone's DM or having to overcome the stigma of network marketing. And better yet, without confusing and uncomfortable social media marketing strategies, or the worst approach of all, creating a prospect 100 list of friends and family to hit up. Yuck. In fact, my method is so different from what other business strategists are teaching that you won't even feel like you're pitching your products or business opportunity. Imagine that. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off in your network marketing business or have been stuck at the same level of your marketing plan. It's hard to argue this simple truth: that without loyal customers or an ambitious downline, there is no business. Zero, zilch, nada. And the only way to continuously expand your sales and team is to implement an attractive and automated sales process into your business that allows you to bring in sales while you sleep. Let's face it, you can have all of the Instagram followers, YouTube subscribers, and Facebook group members that your heart desires, but if you can't learn to lead with your passion and expertise, build your email list, and automate your process, then your business just can't grow. So let's start getting more requests to sign me up right now. Oh, and if you're afraid of approaching people, asking for the sale, or putting yourself out there on social media, take a deep breath. I've got you. And just to address that smart voice of skepticism asking, why should I listen to this bubbly, somewhat nerdy business strategist? I'll tell you right now, I have helped a ton of female entrepreneurs automate and monetize their sales and marketing strategies. From network marketers to aspiring online business owners, they went from confused to confident in just a few weeks. I built a $17.5 million book of business without spammy cold calls or sleazy sales tactics. I grew with strategic attraction marketing, and so can you. I'm a non-tech savvy digital entrepreneur that discovered how to set up my business on autopilot without being glued to my phone or social media. I've been in the trenches. I understand the urgency to build your business quickly and with ease. And all that experience boils down to one powerful step-by-step process that I can teach you in just 12 weeks. Here's the secret. Most network marketing leaders don't teach you how to create a business using cutting-edge online business strategies that makes building your business feel good. But when you follow my guidance on how to intuitively connect with your audience, you'll be more effective in your approach so that you can motivate buyers and business builders to take swift action. You'll evolve into a master of persuasion that attracts the right customers and the right team members. Bottom line, you'll feel more confident showing up to your business and start to earn consistent 4-figure months or more. Let me show you how this works. With my unique FAST system, you'll be able to ditch spammy sales tactics and gracefully sign up new customers and team members with ease and confidence. Here's the breakdown. There are 4 phases to the program: Foundation, Attract, Stream, and Teach. Let's dive deeper into each phase. The first phase, Foundation. In this phase, you'll create a foundation for success and longevity in your business. You'll cover the systems and mindset you need to scale faster, from how to set up triggers to guarantee your success, to how to schedule your tasks without compromising family time. You'll also create a customized business blueprint that attracts more customers with ease and gives you permission to feel confident in your marketing approach. Attract. During this phase, we'll start setting a system in place to grow your profits and team on autopilot. You'll learn methods to create marketing content in less time and free up your schedule for what matters most. In fact, you'll activate my 10-hour workweek system to stay consistent in your marketing efforts without feeling pressured to be everywhere all the time. Third phase is Stream, which is short for second stream of income. As you free up time and reorganize business tasks during phase 2, you'll make room for an additional stream of income that will fit effortlessly into your current revenue stream. You'll start waking up to money. This new revenue source will create a snowball effect of profits and growth within your business that will only attract more customers and team members. And the last phase, Teach. Rapid growth wouldn't be possible without duplication. Create, do, repeat, and duplicate. Make growing your team easy and fast by empowering your downline with the right tools. As a leader, you'll be equipped with the tools and resources to teach this method to your downline and increase their chances of success and commitment to your organization. By this phase, you'll have a system in place that will allow you to focus on team building development while still building your own sales. So let's recap. What does this look like in action for your business? You'll attract more customers directly to your DM, not the other way around. You'll be able to attract CEO-driven business builders that are able and willing to build an unstoppable downline. It's time to build an empire. You see, by using my fast formula to 5K method, you'll finally start earning more money with ease, less stress, and in less time. With each lesson, you'll receive training, videos, templates, and swipe files where applicable to make implementing the system more achievable and effortless. And if you have a VIP spot, you'll be able to join me for weekly one-on-one coaching and bi-weekly group coaching to maximize your results. As if that wasn't enough, you will also get an accountability calendar to keep you on track, access to a private Telegram chat where I'll send you bonus tips and encouragement directly to your cell phone, and access to connection scripts to make sales conversation a breeze. Right now, you have 2 options. You can keep missing out on the next rank in your business, or let me help you attract qualified customers and team members and start bringing in those 4-figure months. If you're willing to stop making excuses, do the work, and treat this opportunity like a real business that's consistently growing and making more money every single month, then say yes. Don't worry, you don't need to feel confident about how to mention your offers today or be comfortable positioning your business opportunity just yet. But just give me 12 weeks and you'll have all you need to create a business by design, doing all the things you love without compromise. Listen, you can do this. Imagine in just 12 weeks, you're making abundant money online by growing your network marketing business with a clear path to success. Join me, and with preparation and dedication, you'll be well on your way to building an empire with just 10 hours per week. Check out the options to join below. I will see you on the other side.